Welcome back to Heal on High. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of color therapy and how the colors we wear can influence our mood, energy, and even our interaction with others. Believe it or not, your choice of clothing color can not only elevate your personal style but also promote emotional healing and balance. So let's explore the world of colors and their healing potential, starting with what to wear and when. Color therapy, also known as chromotherapy, is a healing practice that has been around for centuries. It's based on the idea that each color carries its own energy and vibration, affecting our mood and emotions. Wearing the right color for the right occasion can help balance your emotional state and even enhance your personal energy. So let's break it down and figure out what color to wear for different occasions. First up, we have red, the color of energy, power, passion, and confidence. Red is known to stimulate the action and excitement in you. It's perfect for occasions where you need to make a bold statement, like a job interview, business presentation, or a romantic date night. Red shows confidence and draws attention, so it's ideal when you want to stand out or feel empowered. But remember, too much red can provoke stress, so balance it with neutral tones if you feel overwhelmed. Next is blue, a color that promotes calm, trust, and relaxation. It's the color of the sky and the ocean, both symbols of peace and serenity. Wear blue for work meetings, doctor's appointments, or even a family gathering when you want to create a sense of calmness and professionalism. Blue is also great for meditation classes and moments when you need clarity of thought. It helps reduce stress and anxiety, making it a great choice for any situation where you need to stay composed. Now let's talk about yellow. Yellow, the color of optimism, creativity, and happiness. Yellow is an energizing color, often associated with the sun, bringing warmth and joy. Wearing yellow on a creative project, art class, or even a birthday party can help boost your mood and inspire new ideas. However, too much yellow can lead to feelings of impatience or frustration. So wear it in moderation, perhaps as an accessory like a scarf or shoes. Then comes green, the color of nature, renewal, and balance. It's deeply healing and nurturing. If you are heading to a health retreat, yoga session, or just need a calming day at home, green will help restore your emotional and physical balance. It's perfect for promoting relaxation and growth, both personally and professionally. It's also an excellent color to wear during healing sessions or when you want to foster a sense of renewal in your life. Then it's purple. Purple is a deeply spiritual color, often associated with intuition, luxury, and creativity. If you are attending a spiritual retreat, meditation, or even a formal event, purple can enhance your connection to your higher self. It's also a great color to wear when you need to tap into your intuition, or make decisions based on your inner wisdom. Purple can be a statement of luxury and elegance, making it perfect for family events or special occasions also. Then it's all about white. White represents purity, clarity, and new beginnings. It's the color of fresh starts, peace, and simplicity. When you are starting a new chapter of your life, whether it's a new job, moving into a new home, or getting married, white can bring clarity and help you embrace the transition with ease. It's also a great color for peaceful moments of reflection or mindfulness. However, be mindful of wearing too much white in environments that require strong action, as it may give off a sense of passivity. Finally, we have black, a color of sophistication, protection, and mystery. Black is versatile and universally flattering, making it ideal for formal events, interviews, or any occasion where you want to exude authority and professionalism. It also offers a sense of protection, making it a great color for those times when you want to shield yourself from external energies like a crowded social event or public speaking engagement. While black is elegant, it's important to balance it with pops of colors or accessories to avoid feeling too heavy also. So as you can see, the colors we choose to wear play a much deeper role than just fashion statements. They can influence our emotions, enhance our experiences, and help us connect with the energy we need for every occasion. By aligning our clothing with our intentions and the environment we are stepping into, we can harness the healing powers of color therapy to feel our best inside and out. Remember, it's not just about how the color looks, but how it makes you feel. Thank you for joining me today on Heal on High. I hope this video inspires you to embrace the healing power of color in your own life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your beloved ones. And also, share your thoughts in the comments. What color are you wearing today? And how does it make you feel? I'll see you in the next episode.